Well, today is D-Day. I've waited 8 long months to get to this point where drywall is just about completed in the control room. You can see my guys were here yesterday, worked till 5 or 6 o'clock to get this stuff all smoothed out and squished into place. It was a lot of heavy and hard work. I don't envy these guys. They still need to deal with some of the drywall work up around this transition at the lid, which is going to get smoothed out today because it's still pretty rough there. But the rest of the room, they got really smooth and I'm super happy. So texture's going on later this afternoon once they finish everything. And pretty sizable control room, much bigger than anything I've ever had on my own before. And texture goes up and I will get the paint on this weekend. It should be a fun and a useful exercise. You can see the nave and the racks. They're taped over, just waiting to get covered in all kinds of horrible stuff. At any rate, so the room should be done and ready for terminating the electrical and the air conditioning and all the wiring next week. So we're starting on paint. They finished the drywall spraying today for the texture. We're testing some colors, trying to go for more earth tones instead of the last room where it was just gray. So sprayer kind of isn't working so well. They made some progress today with that sliding door. It's installed and it's really cool. You can see here. Really slick Pella system. So there's some tweaks that are needed to make this thing work. But it closes really nicely, and of course, because I have all this stuff in the way, you can't really see, but it's really good at locking out sound from that room, and you can still see all the way into the control room. This was my idea all along, to have that kind of line of sight. So we're getting there. We're making progress.